Are you tired of scrolling endlessly looking for programs on your IPTV device? Today, we have a fix for you. We are going to show you how to add that amazing EPG feature to your IPTV, making life much easier. First things first, to get this done effortlessly, you'll want to ensure your IPTV provider supports EPG. 2TV.store is highly recommended. They offer not just EPG support, but also an extensive channel range. Once you've subscribed to a good provider, let's dive into the process of linking your EPG to IPTV. Start by accessing your IPTV app settings here. You'll find the option to add an EPG URL. Sounds simple, right? Now, retrieve your EPG URL. This should be provided by your IPTV service, such as 2TV.store, upon subscription. Input this URL into your application. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any annoying errors. Once entered, double-check everything and save your settings to ensure your EPG is successfully linked. Give it a moment and voila! You should now see your EPG loaded with all available showtimes and channels. If everything looks great, you've mastered integrating EPG into your IPTV for smooth navigation. Remember, a good provider like 2TV.store ensures your EPG remains up to date with the latest content. Think of all the time and frustration saved with a reliable IPTV setup and a straightforward EPG guide. Stay tuned to our channel for more practical tips on enhancing your digital entertainment experiences. We're here to ensure you binge watch your favorites without any tech hiccups, making every session enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and explore 2TV.store for all your IPTV needs. Until next time.